Hello guys, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment as well. Do like the video if you find the video informative. So bafethu la ngithola ke udaba okade lithinta kakhulukazi lo owesifazane ke kade accused ngokuthi ke unukubeza ke ingane lezi zesilisa ezenza ke grade 7. So lona ngikhuluma ke ngokuthi uMiss oneminyaka ke 25 mabesho, and then ke she was accused. Okay, so according to Bani Bushbuck Ridge Media Law, the missing teacher from Ukukhanya Primary School have been found in Baragwana Hospital. So it is alleged that the young girl who was missing after being accused of sexual harassment towards grade 7 learners have been found alive especially. So it was confirmed that she drove and lost control for the road, and the car went out to knock a tree. Okay, the accident isn't that bad, as she sustained minor injuries according to AMA reports, and the hospital could possibly release her as soon as possible and as soon as her family arrives, especially. Her case was investigated, and she was found innocent from all the alleged accusations made by the school boys. So we thank each and everyone who went all out helping Umkomondo family and the Ukukhanya Primary School during that time. So the principal, Mr. Okoro Onyedu, said he don't mind hosting a Umkomondo to his house to stay there and recover very well until she's fit to stand again and continue with her life. So principal she's been through a lot, and she need good place to recover from. Principal, so she can come to my house. I've got a very good way to make her recover fast. She need serious counseling, and I'm ready to offer her, said principal. As for the boys, will be waiting for the final decision from the Department of Education, and we'll take it from there. Principal. So bafethu akaniphaule kulona lolu daba. Do you think ngempela ke le ndaba ke bekuyinto ke ekhona, or she was set up? Anyways bafethu, do comment on the section down below. Angathi ke ngalolu daba ngokukhulu kushesha no my sister. Danko.